Hello again, everybody, and welcome to Devotion to Writing, the channel devoted to helping you cultivate a daily writing practice and to realize that you are creative abundance. I wanted to talk about trust today because trust is really essential to the creative act, to our creating what is inside of us, to being free enough to feel that we can create whatever is coming through us and to bring it into form. Ann Patchett said, "In any practice there will be tests." And certainly in the creative process, in life itself, there are tests. But all the worry that we do is really unnecessary. In fact, worry is just a form of resistance that keeps us from connecting with our creative self. So in one way we get over worry is to learn to trust ourselves. And trust is built over time. It's built when we sit and write and witness our creative unfolding and experience time and time again how spontaneously we awaken words and images and beauty, and that we feel this creation flow through us. That's when we begin to trust that this energy, this force is what we are. And then we begin to trust that it is available to us always, that it is us, and that we can summon this vitality whenever we want to. We simply need to release the need to control things, to control what is coming, to surrender our expectations, and trust that the desire to write is true for you. Trust that you need to write because writing is what gives you, it's what gives necessary expression to your life. It is how you discover yourself. And even though you may ignore your creative urges, maybe you haven't tended to this in your life, that this urge persists in you because it is you. Trust that writing is one of the ways that you experience, feel, and engage life with creation, with the source of vitality in you. And you just have to trust this process. The product or what you make is really of no importance, but the action is everything. Trust that. Even though you may not know what you're writing or why you are writing it, the what and the why will be revealed in time. It really is not necessary to know why you begin or what you've begun, but it is necessary to begin. Because to begin is to say yes. To say yes is to surrender, and to surrender is we must have trust. The joy that we get to when we're engaged in our creative process, the joy, this is the journey. The process is the journey, the joy we get from the process. This is the journey, and this is the discovery we make. Trust that the experiences, the memories, the nouns, the objects that are vibrating within you, these are your story, and they want to come forth. They long to be with you. They long for you to give expression to them, for you to give form to the formless, give life to the life that is beyond you. You don't need anything more. You don't need to learn anything more. All you need to write is already inside of you. Just trust that you are fathomless. I'd say dare to be fathomless. What do you have to lose? Nothing. And what do you have to gain? I'd say worlds and worlds and worlds. So trust what commands you to write. This passion that you feel, this desire, this voice that is compelling you to get to the page, to write something, to write your story, to write your memories, to tell someone. This passion, this voice, it's one of the gifts given to you by the divine. It is the guide for you. It is grace. So pick up your gift, open it, use it, write today. Trust your heart and not the 1,000 reasons your mind and your ego are going to give you about why you shouldn't write, right? Trust your heart. Trust that you will write what you must write, and that you're the only one who can write what you must write. And trust that you'll be surprised when you allow writing to help you create your life. When you allow writing to help you write your life. Trust that it will get easier when you begin cultivating a practice. And trust that as you nurture your writing will nurture you and love you back. Trust that the process of writing, is going to open you. And trust that you can hold more than you ever thought possible. That's what I have to say about trust today. But I will end with one thing. And this is a quote by Rilke from Letters to a Young Poet. And it says, "But believe in a love that is being stored up for you like an inheritance. And have faith that in this love there is a strength and a blessing so large that you can travel as far as you wish without having to step outside it." Thank you for watching this video. If it was helpful, please like it and feel free to send me a comment. I love hearing and engaging with my listeners. And also, please don't forget to subscribe or to share it with a friend who you think might enjoy it. Also, if you want to learn more about Devotion to Writing workshops and the writing retreats I lead, I encourage you to visit devotiontowriting.com. You can also follow Devotion to Writing on Instagram and Facebook. Again, I thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. I hope you write deeply today. I know that you'll write beautifully. Blessings.